Motocross just got a lot more serious. The gate drops, the earth shakes, and the unmistakable yellow blur rockets ahead. It's back. Suzuki has unleashed the 2025 RM-Z450, and it's not here to keep up. It's here to lead. Welcome back to Acer Rider, the home of horsepower, high-flying dirt fury, and track-shredding beasts. Today, we're diving deep into the long-awaited refresh of a true legend, the all-new 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450. Reviving a legacy. The RM-Z450 has always been a cornerstone in motocross racing. A machine that earned its stripes through championship pedigree, razor-sharp handling, and factory-level performance. But in recent years, Suzuki lagged behind competitors in tech and innovation. Fans waited, skeptics doubted, and the competition surged ahead. Now, in 2025, Suzuki answers with a completely revamped RM-Z450. The message is clear. This isn't a comeback, it's a counter-strike. Engine. Fresh muscle with Suzuki DNA. Powering the 2025 RM-Z450 is a thoroughly updated 449cc four-stroke DOHC single-cylinder engine. Suzuki engineers went back to the drawing board to increase low-end torque without sacrificing top-end pull. New high-compression piston, 13.81. Revised cylinder head and cam timing for better throttle response. Lightened crankshaft for quicker revs. All-new exhaust header and muffler system. Peak horsepower sits around 56 GP, but more importantly, torque delivery is broader and smoother. Whether you're exiting ruts or launching triples, the power band now feels more usable across all gears. Chassis. Frame, lighter, stiffer, smarter. The 2025 RM-Z450 rides on a new twin-spar aluminum frame, engineered to shave weight while increasing lateral rigidity for better cornering stability. Total weight, 109 kilograms, 240 pounds. Wet. New engine cradle and rear subframe for improved flex balance. Revised swing arm and linkage geometry. The difference is night and day. The bike feels more planted in corners and more nimble mid-air. It's the kind of frame response that gives elite riders an edge and weekend warriors more confidence. Suspension. KYB recalibrated. Suzuki kept the trusted KYB suspension components but completely overhauled their internals. KYB 49. coil spring. Fork with updated damping curves. KYB shock with high/low-speed compression adjustability. New linkage ratios for progressive stroke and reduced bottoming. The result? Improved small bump absorption, firmer mid-stroke control, and more predictability on landings. Whether you're racing supercross or carving your local track, this suspension holds the line. Electronics. Welcome to the digital age. Finally catching up with the competition, the RM-Z450 now includes a suite of rider aids. Launch. Control Assist 2.0. Revamped with traction sensor input, selectable ride modes, aggressive, standard, soft, My Suzuki Connect app. Wireless ECU tuning and logging. New handlebar-mounted mode switch. No gimmicks, just tools to help you ride faster and smarter. Factory-level tuning is now in your pocket. Brakes, tires. Wheels, race-ready. Finishing touches. Suzuki continues with 270 mm front and 240 mm rear wave discs, paired with Nissan calipers for solid bite and fade resistance. The wheels get a durability boost. DD Dirt Star rims. Dunlop. Geomax MX. 34 tires standard, grip, brake, repeat. Lap after lap. Ergonomics. Design slim, mean, and ergonomic. The 2025 RM-Z450 gets a bodywork overhaul. Thinner radiator shrouds and flatter seat for better mobility. Redesigned tank seat junction for improved rider positioning. All new graphics and matte finish plastics. Ergo-tuned handlebar and peg placement. It looks fast, it feels fast, and when you throw a leg over it, it rides fast. Maintenance durability. Track days are hard. Suzuki knows that. So, the 2025 RM-Z450 was built with simplicity and durability in mind. Tool-less air filter access, redesigned airbox for better airflow and sealing, improved radiator shroud airflow and cooling efficiency, longer service intervals on clutch and valves, less time wrenching, more time riding. Price availability, base price, $9,499 USD, RM-Z 450 Factory Edition, with Yoshimura pipe, Hinson clutch, gold rims, $10,499 USD. Release date, September 2024. Whether you're racing at a national level or just living for that weekend rip, the new RM-Z 450 brings real performance with race-winning value. Final thoughts, yellow is back with a vengeance. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z 450 may not be the most high-tech or the lightest bike in its class, but it finally closes the gap, and in some areas takes the lead. It delivers improved power, handling, and tech in a package that still carries that classic RM-Z soul. For riders who crave connection to the dirt, for racers who live by lap times, and for fans who've always cheered for yellow, the wait is over. Outro Acer Rider Style. That's your deep dive into the rebirth of a legend. The 2025 RM-Z 450 isn't just Suzuki catching up, it's them throwing down. Smash that like button. If you love motocross mayhem, hit subscribe for more throttle therapy and tell us, would you ride yellow in 2025? This is Acer Rider, and until next time, keep it pinned, keep it dirty, and keep chasing that checkered flag.